It's amazing. It's legendary. From Okinawa. Thanks, Kurt. Okay, so on Reddit, because that's where I found the destructions for this.
The what?
The destructions. So,
why?
I'm
Wait,
pretty
wait,
sure
wait.
CoCo's packets are foil, so you can't put them in the microwave, which is true. Drop the pack into a saucepan of boiling water for 5 minutes or so, then tear open, pour over rice, and nosh away like a man possessed.
Okay, no.
That's actually what they wrote.
I know, but you. Okay, let me see. Where did it say that?
Right there.
Hold on. Where? Come on, phone, camera. Where? Point to it.
The that paragraph right there.
So now I'm in focus, and now you're.
Now I'm sexy.
I'm totally gonna. So because we are so busy over the next little bit, we are eating total convenience. Not gonna lie, haven't been the healthiest over the last little while, but it is what it is. When we go to the cabin, I mean, in a year we are hopefully gonna have like our own. I mean, there's already some orchards and stuff there, but we're gonna have a lot of our own food, and that's the whole purpose of it, is to be more sustainable and eat a healthier lifestyle, be in a healthier lifestyle. So don't mind us for our convenience, because I totally, which I never did. I mean, in my 20s I did, but I would never ever buy microwave rice, and I totally did, because we haven't owned a microwave, oh gosh, how long, Mike?
Many moons.
5.5, almost 6. It'd be 6 years this year that we haven't owned a microwave and rarely use one, so we always bought like rice and cooked it, I guess. And but we are totally like, woo-hoo, that's for dinner tonight. With the curry sauce, and then with, I mean, beef is pretty good. No, wait. Okay, that's true. Okay, so what? Oh, somebody is a little excited. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell delicious. So, so this is what it looks like all done up, and it does smell really, really good.
Oh, yes.
So, I'm kind of, whatever, I'm kind of just gonna dive right in, I guess. I do want to see you take your first bite though, because your mouth is salivating.
It's been 20 years. Oh my god, it's just as good as I remember.
Aww. It's bringing back some memories for him.
Oh, that's so good. Alright, leave me be.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try the beef. It smells really good. I'm not gonna lie, it does. I already said that. It is really good. It's like a perfect combination of curry.
I know.
It's beef curry. It's really good.
God, I never thought I'd taste this again.
It's the little things, eh? It's the little things. It's actually pretty good.
Pretty good?
No,
Really?
It's alright. It's just okay.
Sacrilege.
It's just okay. It's actually really good. Get your hands off. You're
No.
We got love that will never need
I'm
to
totally
hide.
gonna.
Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine.